Are you sick and tired of clogged lead pumps causing cylinder production downtime? If you're in the lead-acid battery business, you know that this is one of the biggest drawbacks for producing ball mill feed material. And that's not all. These high-maintenance systems have an elevated environmental impact, an issue that is increasingly under public scrutiny. CAM offers a solution that reduces the energy needed for producing lead oxide, a fundamental component of lead batteries, by 90% by installing a lead shaving system in the place of your classic cylinder casting system. Just imagine, the operator loads the ingot conveyor, presses start, and his job is finished. His next task will be to take an oxide sample from the mill to check oxidation levels. This is the first machine in the world that produces ball mill feed material by means of mechanical milling, no casting and no mechanical compression, both of which entail higher energy costs. The first question our customers ask is, okay, so we can save a lot of energy, but is the product the same? The answer is yes. This patented system has been widely tested by important European automotive and industrial battery makers. The quality results are practically the same as for the classic cylinder casting process, with the added benefit of just-in-time production. In fact, there is no need to wait until the material cools down to use it. We've calculated energy savings using real data from our customers. Based on industrial energy costs in Italy, the average cost of producing 100 kilos of cylinders is €1.33. These calculations do not include the other expenses connected to a melting casting system, like dross collection and special waste management. On the other hand, the average cost of producing 100 kilos of lead shavings is €0.13. That's a ratio of 1 to 10, which means that in less than 3 years, you'll have repaid the cost of the machine only with the energy you save. And from the third year forward, you'll save about €200,000 per year, again based on average energy costs in Italy in 2021.